Hello, what's your name? How are you today? How old are you? Where are you from? Where do you study? What color do you like? I like red. How about you? What color do you like? What food do you like? I like chicken. How about you? What food do you like? What food don't you like? I don't like hamburger. How about you? What food don't you like? Very good. Next, I want you to look at the picture and tell me the answer. Let's start. What have you got? I've got a jumper. Your turn. What have you got? Next, what have you got? I've got a hat. Your turn. What have you got? Next, what have you got? I've got a belt. Your turn. What have you got? Next, what have you got? I've got a jacket. Your turn. What have you got? Very good. Next, who is he? He's a teacher. Repeat after me. He's a teacher. Again. Very good. Who is he? He's a builder. Repeat after me. He's a builder. Again. Very good. Next, you can say, yes, she is, or no, she isn't. Is she a vet? Yes, she is. Is she a vet? Your turn. Very good. Is he a pupil? No, he isn't. Is he a pupil? Well done, students. Next, how many shirts are there? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now it's your turn to count. Let's start. Very good, students. That's all for today. See you in the next video.